In the North Woods, spring comes quickly. The North Woods is often defined as Upper Minnesota, Wisconsin, Michigan, New England, and much of Canada. The songbirds that have been gone for months return to brighten up the place with color and song. The resident ruffed grouse has a different type of call, known as drumming. Whereas the woodcock waits until about 0.05 candle power before landing and calling. Spring is time for the large mammals to fatten up. A moose stands by a road and a lynx walks a logging trail. A bear munches on new green grass in a clearing. Spring quickly turns to summer, turning the forest a lush green. Babies are being fed. The North Woods is also lake country, which is good for an eagle with chicks. However, the iconic North Country lake bird is the loon. Summer is an easy time for chipmunks and red squirrels. Before you know it, it's fall. And the North Woods turns brilliant colors. For the beaver and the muskrat, it's time to get busy. They have nothing to fear from the great gray owl, as it prefers smaller prey. In a flash, fall is gone and winter comes. Winter has fewer colors, but is just as beautiful. But only the hardy animals remain. The snowshoe hare's fur has now turned from brown to white. Of the birds that stay, many, such as the evening and pine grosbeaks, blue jay, and pileated and downy woodpeckers, are just as colorful as the ones that went south, including the hardy and ubiquitous black-capped chickadee. As darkness comes, a pair of wolves come out. A fisher has found one of their old kills, and its cousin, the pine or American marten, has found a more recent kill. It's later found by a bald eagle and a flock of ravens. Soon spring will return and another season will start in the North Woods.